All right, here's a little intermission before part 7. I think part 7 I'm going to be pulling the head off. But I got all the head bolts out of the engine. I think there were like 22 of them. And then there was, let's see, there was an Allen there, Allen there. Then there was an Allen there and there. And then I think there were 22 bolts through here. Looks like 8 long ones where it went through the cam towers, and then the rest of them were short ones. So I've got it hooked up to my engine stand, and I was just expecting the head to lift off, but when I pump up the engine stand, it lifts this whole engine and this engine stand. I'm sorry, not the engine stand, the engine hoist. It lifts everything off the ground. So I think there's something that I'm missing other than those 22 head bolts and the Allen key. I looked over here and all this is attached to the head, so it should just come off with that, no problem. Unless there's something underneath here. But no, there's not. So that's what I'm trying to figure out now, how to get this head off. I hit it with a little brass hammer, but I mean this thing weighs like 80 pounds, so that's not going to do anything. Yeah, just a little confused about how to pull this head off. Anyway, let me know what you guys think.